Hi, I'm Jack Koenig with Graco, and these are the G3 Max Gen 2 automatic lubrication pumps. In this video, I'm covering alarm code A12, low fluid level. Low level is the most common alarm on an automatic lubrication system, and it's also the easiest one to address. Low level means that the reservoir has run out of oil or grease. So to get the system working again, simply refill the reservoir. On the G3 Max Gen 2, the screen shows A12 low fluid level and has a message below stating, refill reservoir with clean lubricant to resume operation. It also displays a QR code which will bring you to the G3 Education Center website. In addition to using clean lubricant, it's important to refill it with the correct lubricant. Mixing two different types of oil or two different types of grease can cause a chemical reaction that damages the lubricant. Before you refill the reservoir, make sure you are refilling it with the same lubricant that it was already using. If you are changing to a new lubricant, be sure it is compatible with the old one. And if you're not sure about that, ask your lubricant supplier for help. Once you've confirmed the oil or grease is the correct one, you can proceed to refill the system. For an oil reservoir, simply remove the fill cap and pour in the oil. Watch as the low-level alarm clears itself on the new G3 Max. To learn about several methods of filling G3 grease reservoirs, please watch my video titled Options for Filling a G3 Grease Reservoir. I hope this video has been informative and helpful. Please contact us with any questions, and thank you for choosing Graco.